Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll share three free AI tools that save me 2 hours a day. Every morning, I used to spend hours replying to emails, writing posts, and fixing little things that ate up my entire day. Then I discovered three free AI tools that changed everything. The first AI tool, which I use almost on a daily basis, is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my go-to assistant for writing emails, reports, and quick summaries. It understands context and saves me from typing fatigue. I just type what I need and I get instant results. The second important tool which I use almost daily is Canva Magic. If you need captions, posts, or slide content, Canva's built-in AI creates it in seconds, while keeping my design ready to share. It makes social posts and slides look amazing. I just guide the idea and it is made instantly. Last but not the least, I'll walk you through Grammarly AI, which is my personal editor that keeps my messages kind, clear, and professional. It fixes my tone, grammar, and rewrites sentences so they sound polished and natural. Now you know how I save almost 2 hours a day and spend that doing things I actually love. Try them, you'll feel the difference. For more such AI tips that make your work easier, follow our channel. Thank you for watching.